Greetings, it's me, Dr. Paul Gerhardt, and this short video is on how to do APA 7th edition level headings. And you'll notice from the picture on the screen, this is essentially what they look like. And I'm going to talk about them a little bit more as I go through the paper. But notice that level 1 heading, the body text that follows the level 1 heading, begins on a new line and starts in a new indented paragraph. It has all capital letters, it's bold, and it's centered. You'll notice level 2 is left justified, it's bold, and each of the major words starts with full capital letters. Level 3 is also left justified, it's bold and italics, and each of the major words are major headings. What you need to know is the headings are subordinate of each other. This is the biggest change in APA 7th from APA 6th, is that the level 3 heading is left justified and in italics, and now level 4 is bold and it is in the paragraph and it's indented within the paragraph, but it ends with a period, but it's like it's the first sentence in the paragraph, like the old level 3s were. And then finally, level 5 looks a lot like level 4. It's in the paragraph, major words are capitalized, and it's italics. So the body text in level 5 heading looks the same as level 4, but it's if you think about the how each of these are subordinate. So when you have a level 2 heading, it's giving more information about whatever the level 1 heading is. Generally speaking, write this down, level 1 headings are the headings that are related to the content that your professor is looking for. And I'll give you an example of that when I go through this paper. The level 2 or level 3 headings are subordinate to level 3, so it's giving more information about what the content under the level 2 was talking about. So let's get into this paper and I'll show you. So this is a level 1 heading. In APA 7th edition papers, we don't use the term introduction over the first paragraph. It's assumed that it's the introduction. So write about, tell the readers what your paper is going to be about. Get them interested in it. Why do they need to know what they need to know? That why is really powerful. But you'll notice there's a level 1 heading. It's centered, it's bold, and all the major words are capitalized. You notice and is not capitalized. That's level 1. This is also a level 1, so you know that it's not subordinate to that introduction. And generally speaking, you're going to tell people what the paper is about. A common mistake in APA papers is people forget to make the abstract bold. And you'll notice, of course, the abstract is not indented. It's the only thing that's not indented. So going through this sample paper again, this is your first paragraph, which is an introduction that tells the reader what the paper's about. It grabs their attention and it tells why it's really important. And they use a level 1 heading. Centered, bold, major words are capitalized. You notice and is not capitalized. So and is a not capitalized. Level 1 heading. Center, bold. So here's a level 2 heading, and you'll notice that it's related to what this level 1 heading talked about. Let's do another one. So this paper, another part of the major topics, probably the professor was asking to write about emotional intelligence or applying emotional intelligence for effectiveness, and this student made that a major heading. So the major heading should be the major topics of the paper. Bold, centered, major words are capitalized. Notice 4 is not capitalized. A subcategory is emotional intelligence. So one of the subcategories is self-awareness. So level 2 headings are subordinate to the level 1. So this topic here supports this idea here. This paper doesn't have a level 3 heading, but it does have another level 2 heading. So generally speaking, when you're using level 2 headings, you probably want more than one level 2 heading. Here's a level 3 heading. And so you'll notice that this level 3 heading, or level 2 heading, is left justified with all major words capitalized. And this topic here is relationship management, which is a subcategory of this level 2 heading. It's not a subcategory of this level 2 heading. It's a subcategory of this level 1 heading. And so you'll notice that this and this are subcategories or subordinate to this topic that's talked to here. So whenever you have a heading, you want to put a paragraph of content underneath each paragraph. And generally speaking, in every paragraph, you want to support your ideas with in-text citations. So here's a level 2 heading, major words, capitalized, left justified. Level 3 heading is bold and italics, and it's left justified. And so relationship benefits are subordinate to relationship management. So it supports what was written in the paragraph above it, and I know that because that's a level 3 heading. So relationship benefits related to relationship management. Be aware of your emotions. That is related to not relationship benefits. This is a level 3 heading, so it's related to this level 2 heading, if that makes sense. And then this level 2 heading is related to this level 1 heading. So you can kind of see how each of the headings are subordinate to each other. So again, let's take a look at these. Level 1 heading is centered, bold, major words are capitalized. It's the main topics of the paper. Level 2 supports the ideas that are found in the paragraph above it. They're left justified, and the bold and major words are capitalized. Level 3 headings support ideas related to what was in the paragraphs of the above level 2 heading, and they are bold and italics and left justified. Level 4 is in the paragraph. It's actually the first sentence of the paragraph, so it is indented, it's bold, major words are capitalized, and there's a period. So it looks like the first sentence, except it's bold. And it is directly related to the content of the above level 3 topic. So you see what I'm saying when they're all subordinate. And then finally level 5. Most papers don't have level 5, but level 5 is subordinate to a level 4. It gives more details about the content of a level 4, and it is in the paragraph also. It is bold, all major words are capitalized, and it ends with a period. It's the first sentence of the paragraph, and it is indented. So I hope this video has been helpful. This is APA 7th edition headings. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Only you get to choose how you feel about it. I'm Dr. Paul Gerhardt.